Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make carousel posts on Instagram using Canva. Here are the easy steps to create the carousel post for Instagram. Part 1. Set up your carousel design. Open the Canva app on your mobile device. Tap the plus button on the bottom center. Hit Customize Size, then set both width and height 1080 by 1080, and units is set to px. Then tap on Create Design. Part 2. Design your slides. Customize each slide with photos. To add photos, tap on Gallery. Then tap to choose your picture. Then hit Add to Page. Resize it. You can use the edge to change the size. Now hit the X. Now tap on Text. Then tap Add a Heading. Then start to type your words on the image. You can change the color by tapping the color icon. Then tap to pick your color. So I choose white for this. I'll tap on it. Then hit Change All to confirm. Then hit the X. And hit the X again. To make the carousel visually seamless, keep elements like backgrounds or graphics aligned across slides. Use the position and spacing tools to help line things up evenly between pages. Then add a new page, just swipe left. Last part, export and upload to Instagram. Once finished, tap the download icon, the arrow upwards at the top right. Then hit download and choose PNG format. Tap download and Canva will save each slide as a separate image in your gallery. Now open Instagram, tap the plus icon, then tap select multiple and choose all your carousel images in order to post it. You've successfully created and posted a carousel post using Canva on your mobile device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.